I realize all I need is you. I can never get enough. Say she hung way down, yeah. Always down to have a good time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy Akinyi. Today is a beautiful day. It's kind of cold, but it's still, the sun is out, so that's a plus. Welcome back to our Swahili style gazebo. This is episode 13. So what have we been up to? This week we had a lot going on in the family and just too much, guys. And also we just had a lot going on, and we are thankful that it's almost the end of the week and we'll see how it goes. And on this episode 13 we are doing skirting, and our skirting, like I explained to you what the skirting is, this is how the skirting we wanted in our house to look like. And we had to look into really who can mold it, because it's not so many people in Kenya who do this skirting, and we were just happy to find somebody who can do it. Yeah, it's just a few people who does it. So what we did is we asked around, even for the person who installed our tiles. He said he doesn't do skirting because it's done with wood. Most of Kenyan houses, they do skirting with the tiles, which I don't like, and my family really doesn't like that. So we looked for a carpenter, we found one, and we just gave him our idea and tried to tell him this is how we wanted it to be molded. And we sat down, he gave us the BOQ, which is the bills of quantity, told us where we can actually get the good wood. You know, we have to use mvule because mvule is always a good wood and it's expensive. So he went to Mombasa and we bought it there, and we also paid for the transport to come in. So he knew how much he needed for the whole house, and he was just going to modify it in the shamba. I think he modified it in Mombasa. I have a video here, I'll show you, when they were cutting off, and then he came with it to the off-grid shamba. So let's watch the video.
Tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, all my goals with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes, but I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going
So guys, the carpenter said, every time we have a new mason, they always have their own rules. So he said we have to wait for the painting of the house so that he can come back and do his skirting. So I'm just waiting on him now to come and do the skirting. But for now, the paint is just gonna go on until we finish. So, when we paint the house, it's probably just gonna take a week or two, or 1.5, I think, for the house to be painted. So when we finish that, like I said, we're just trying to look how we're gonna find roofing materials for our roofing on the gazebo, and also our roofing material from the roofing on the pergola. Because guys, don't forget, we are building a pergola too. So a lot of projects going in, a lot of stuff going on here too, but I'm focused because our visitors are almost getting home, and I just want to try and make sure everything is ready for them before they get home. So guys, the electrician has not finished his work in the gazebo, so he's still working on the gazebo, and we're just making sure that we have all the lighting fixtures on the Swahili gazebo. So right now he's just putting in the pipes, and that's just what you're gonna see on this video. So let's watch.
Ndio kwa wakati huu.
I've been gone for too long, in a faraway land, trying to find my way in, searching for where I did belong, coming up with a plan, somewhere I can begin. Memories of my hometown keep crawling back in my head. Been around the world all this time, still couldn't match how we felt, how it felt. I can't wait to get home. 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 Nothing else can compare. On my way, I'll be there. Sunshine like a heavenly oasis. I can feel the love from the familiar faces. The sound of my homeland. She calling, I'm all in. Been traveling the globe for a while and I had a good time, but memories of my hometown keep crawling back in my head. Been around the world all this time, still couldn't match how we felt, how it felt. I can't wait to get home. 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 I can't wait to get home tonight. Carry the roots in my soul. Feel the heat of the sun. This is where I was born. Music in the air of the night. By the sound of the drums, where the rhythm begun.
Weka hiyo, alafu box nyingine weke pale kwa elements. Usikate, weka hiyo kubwa. Weka hiyo box lote. Kuna box nyingine? Weka hiyo yote, weka hiyo yote.
Guys, I'm making tea. This is Kenyan. Every Kenyan know what this is. Every Kenyan knows what this is. So I just want to make my breakfast. And guys, thank you for watching my video. And guys, Easter Sunday. It's Easter this weekend. Guys, happy Easter to everybody who's celebrating Easter. It's a good day to also be alive. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, God, for just everything. And guys, just enjoy your Easter with your families and just enjoy, because life is short. This week we've lost one of my mom's friends, and I will tell you that enjoy the little you have right now, because tomorrow is never promised. So guys, enjoy. Happy Easter to my family and friends and to all my subscribers. Until next week, goodbye.